the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken Florentine. The ingredients that we're going to need today are chicken breast, penne pasta, olive oil, rice vinegar, garlic cloves, parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, heavy cream, cherry tomatoes, spinach, fresh parsley, oregano, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go through all of our ingredients and tell you how much of everything to use. So for the chicken, I used 1.5 chicken breasts. I cut them in half and then I cut them in chunks. Then 12 ounces of the penne pasta, which equals to 4 cups. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. 3 large garlic cloves minced. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I also used 1 cup of the cherry tomatoes, which you're going to cut into half. We're also going to need 2.5 cups of the heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of spinach, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now this recipe calls for salt, so if you're going to be using salt, we're going to need 3 teaspoons. Instead of salt, I'll be using the adobo light seasoning. Okay guys, first you want to go ahead and get a pot. You want to add water to it. You can add salt. I won't be adding salt to mine. And we're just going to go ahead and pour in our penne. And we're going to be cooking our penne for 11 minutes. Okay guys, while the penne is cooking, we're going to go ahead and season our chicken. If you're using salt, you can go ahead and add it now. I'm using adobo light seasoning. You're going to go ahead and add some of your black pepper, and you're also going to add your garlic powder. Now all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. After your penne is done cooking, all we're going to do is drain it, and then we're going to let it sit to the side in cold water. Next, you want to get a pan, and you want to put it on medium heat and bring it to temperature, and then we're going to add our olive oil. Okay, I'm going to add my olive oil in. I'm going to let that heat up. Okay, now we're going to begin to add our chicken in. And we're going to be cooking our chicken for 10 minutes. Okay, after the 10 minutes is up, all we're going to do is remove our chicken, place it in a bowl to the side. Now in the same saucepan, we're going to saute our garlic and our cherry tomatoes. And we're going to go ahead and saute them for a couple minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our rice vinegar. And we're going to saute that until our cherry tomatoes get soft. Guys, you can see the bottom of the pan, all the sauce is coming together, all the flavoring. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and add in our heavy cream. And we're just going to mix that until well combined. Okay guys, next you can start adding in your penne. Mix your penne in well with the sauce. Then you can start adding in your chicken. Once you have all your chicken in your pan, all you want to do is mix it until well combined. Okay guys, next add your Parmesan cheese in. And your mozzarella cheese. And we're just going to mix until well combined. Now we're going to add some black pepper, some oregano, and also our red pepper flakes. And we're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to add our fresh parsley and our spinach. Now go ahead and mix it well. Make sure you get the spinach all the way through. We're going to lower our heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay guys, remember, once you get it mixed all the way through, lower your heat to the very low temperature and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken Florentine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.